can see that I'm in front of the water, and my daddy's holding a kayak, so we're going kayaking today. Yeah. And let's get started. Well, we already started kayaking. The first part of the video, we were all the way like back there now, so we're already here. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Well, I'll give you some tips about kayaking. That safety first. Always wear a life jacket. Be careful when you paddle because there could sometimes be manatees in the sea. And always know about the channel markers, like somewhere they tell you how deep or shallow it is in the water. It's like back there behind, like on top of my head. And my daddy's still paddling, as you can see. Yeah, so it's getting more fun. Oh no, more waves. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, I'm playing music. I'm trying to cover the speaker. And another safety thing is to always hydrate while you're having fun, including kayaking. And I have water right here. I got some water. Okay. Oh, guys, look what we found. We found Mayo Cliff all the way from all the way there while we were paddling. And we're now at the JTP Intracoastal. Well, it's super cool because we even reached JTP Bridge now. We're right under it, and it's about time to turn. Well, even if we did turn around, it would still be a long journey back because I can't even see the other bridge anymore. See? There's nothing. It's a bad thing. But the good thing is that we had a lot of fun. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be more boats coming and more waves. Yay! Well, it's getting funner and funner. And I'm eating an apple now. And I did change sheets with my mommy. And now I'm the captain of the boat. Do you want apple?
No thanks.
Here, eat some. Nom, nom. Well, it's the Intracoastal Bridge.
Yeah.
And there's so much cars. And we were going under and we just we went tunnel around it, but we just turned around and now we're going back. The only bad news is that now we're going against the currents. That's the only bad news. We're going against the current. Well, at least the sun's hiding now, so it'll get cooler. Oh man, now the sun's out again. Ow. really fun, and the video's not over yet. But yeah. We're actually almost at our destination. It's right here, I guess. I think it's right here. But yeah, we already passed the Intracoastal Bridge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button too, and subscribe and share it. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash the notification bell so don't miss any